You searched how to buy shares of PolyNovo Limited. PolyNovo develops regenerative biomaterials and advanced wound care products, listed on CBOE Australia under the ticker PNV.ASX. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the broker's search box and enter the ticker PNV.ASX to locate the company. Confirm you have selected the correct PolyNovo Limited listing before continuing. On the stock detail page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the issuer name and ticker to make sure this is the correct PolyNovo share. To place an order, choose the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may queue until it reopens. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to follow the same steps, find the link in the description for the example platform.